Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to create a beautiful look and you have already seen it on the thumbnail. Now today I'm gonna create this look using this Quirky eyeshadow palette. This is the Sexy Eyes 9 pan eyeshadow palette. The shade I'm going for is Sultry Eyes. They have two shades. A little bit of inspiration from the top I'm wearing. It's a crop top and here are the shades inside the palette. So these two shades are broken, but that's okay. I have swatched it few times. It looks very pigmented, but let's see how it performs on my eye. Also, before jumping, Purple is having their beauty carnival sale. There is up to 50% off on over 500 plus brands. There are a lot of offers on their in-house brand and also some other brands as well, so definitely do check it out. I'm going to mention the details down in the description box below. So let's begin with the eye look. So before jumping, I am going to conceal my eyelids with a concealer. Here I'm using my Sugar concealer. This is the Magic Wand waterproof concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyelid. Now you can use any kind of concealer you want, but make sure it is lighter than your complexion, just because the color will pop really well. With the help of a brush, I'm just going to blend out the concealer. So I actually have a little bit of idea what look I'm going for, but still let's hope for the best. I do have this metallic eyeliner. It's from the brand Ronzil Cosmetics. Hope I'm pronouncing the name right. I found this on Purple, so I thought of trying this out. So it was very cheap, you guys. I'm gonna mention the price right here. So first I'm going to take this beautiful brown shade. I'm going to take this on a flat shader brush and I'm going to use it mainly on my crease. So the pigmentation looks very good. The payoff is definitely very good. It's a little bit powdery, I would say. There is a little bit of fallout, so just dust it off very nicely. Next I'm taking this brown shade right here and I'm gonna blend it further on my crease. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just blending out the crease so it looks very smooth and blended. So I'm gonna use the same concealer and cut my crease. Now I'm not going to set it with a powder because I want my eyeshadow to pop really well. So now I'm going to take this beautiful yellow shade. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. So here is the shade. It's so beautiful, but let's see if this has a pigment or not. Oh my god. Okay, this is pigmented but powdery. You can see the fallout, but that's okay. The shade is so amazing. The shade, I would say it's a little patchy, but it looks so fantastic on my eye. Oh my goodness. If you want, you can also wear a little bit of gold glitter on top of this. It will look beautiful and you can apply some mascara and you're done. But I'm going to use this glitter and see how does it look. So I'm going to apply this as an eyeliner, a very nice winged eyeliner. By the way, the shade I'm using is maybe blue because there's no name or number. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the exact shade I used on my crease. Alright, I'm going to finish off this eye and wear some falsies and I will be back. Alright you guys, this is the completed look. I absolutely love it. Now I don't know what it is, but मेरे बालों पे कुछ चिपक गया है. Maybe chewing gum, लेकिन मैं chewing gum तो खाते नहीं हूँ. Might be lash glue. I have to figure something क्योंकि this has like it looks so weird. Anyway, if you like this look, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm gonna mention all the product details down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Also, let me know if you like this look or not. I really liked it. Comment down below if you like it or not. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.